Divine Collective, I started on a new deck today. This one has more, I want to say, legal terms in it, courtroom terms. So we're going to see what type of messages we can get out of this. Okay. I never really separate them. I usually put all my cards together, but I had the urge to create kind of like a courtroom deck, Divine Collective. So let's see what we have here. Someone here is obsessed with triggering you. This is an obsession of theirs to trigger you. Don't take anything from this person coming towards you, Divine Collective. Keep manifesting, focusing and manifesting. Keep moving forward here. You're doing a wonderful, incredible job remaining balanced, okay? Someone here cannot trigger you. This person can't even access your energy, Divine Collective, okay? You're doing an incredible job remaining balanced. Spirit just wanted me to reiterate that, okay? It's time to prepare for what you are praying for. That was a tongue twister, Divine Collective. Prepare for what you are praying for. Learn, save, plan wisely, and remain open to unexpected opportunities. Okay, so this card doesn't even belong in here, Divine Collective. We're getting siblings. We're getting siblings. Here's the other half of it. Let me see. Yeah, okay, here's the other half. We're getting siblings. That card don't even belong in here, so it is of significance. All right. Someone's siblings is under judgment in this reading. What's this about, Spirit? That's wild. This card doesn't go in here either. Spirit said stay in your lane. Not your circus, not your monkeys here. There's nothing that you need to do in this situation. You don't have to lift a finger. Let karma do what it does, Divine Collective, when it pertains to these siblings that are under severe judgment. Someone wants to run into you. Yeah, someone wants to provoke you here. Obsessed with triggering you. Do not take anything from this person, Divine Collective, that may be coming towards you here. They may be trying to give you something. This could be a sibling. The Tower is here. Dismantling unstable foundations, okay? The Tower. The High Priestess is also here. Hidden things being brought into the light. The High Priestess standing next to the Tower. The Hierophant is next to the High Priestess. The Expert Witness, Keeper of Sacred Law, Interpreter of Ancient Wisdom, right next to the Tower. So we have the High Priestess and the Hierophant. Generational expansion I'm picking up on in this reading. So the Hierophant and the High Priestess, they're bringing down the Tower in this reading. Dismantling unstable foundations. Divine Collective, there is a regal frequency surrounding you, Spirit is telling me. Okay. The Judge has entered the courtroom. I'm getting decisive action. This is the end of a debate. Okay. An authoritative figure is here. Spirit says, continue evolving, Divine Collective. Continue evolving. I heard the decree is irreversible. The decree is irreversible in this reading. Someone is cursed for generations to come for what they've done to you. Again, the decree is irreversible. The call to accountability. A movement. A moment of awakening, Spirit is telling me. So someone here is being called to take accountability. If not, I feel like they're cursing themselves for generations to come. Okay, I do feel that they're being called to take accountability here, awaken. That's completely up to them. Spirit says it's going to feel uncomfortable. This is a change that may initially feel uncomfortable, but someone is being called to take accountability in this storyline. Divine Collective, your path forward is not reactive chaos. It is strategic stability, I am hearing. Growth often begins in stillness. Yeah, another card saying the invitation to accountability remains open. So Spirit is absolutely giving someone the opportunity to take accountability for something that they've done here. Or I feel that they're going to curse their entire bloodline if they do not take accountability, or they have cursed their entire bloodline, Divine Collective, something of that sort, okay? Virgo energy surrounding heavily. We have the Hermit here. The Hermit. The Hermit. You know, that was just an intuitive feeling when I said the Hermit. I did get Virgo energy, and the Hermit is often Virgo Divine Collective. But the next card that I pulled is actually the Hermit. Walking away to protect your peace and to rediscover your own inner truth. For some of you, this may feel uncomfortable. Walking away, separating, Divine Collective. But I feel like if this is you, if this is your storyline, you are being redirected, you are being protected. Anytime, you know, you're feeling like you have to move fast in a situation and it's a little uncomfortable, but it's what you have to do, like you see no other option, just know that God is redirecting you. That is, redirection is often God's protection. Divine Collective, the Hermit twice confirmed. The Hermit is inviting you into a quieter space, Divine Collective. That is what Spirit is saying. Rather than looking outward, this is a time to cultivate inner wisdom through study and honest self-examination. So I'm getting the call to accountability, a movement of awakening here, going within into a quieter place here, cultivating inner wisdom through study and honest self-examination. All right, we're getting emotion. What is emotion, Divine Collective? Emotion is a request asking the judge to make a ruling. It's very beneficial that someone here release bitterness and pursue reconciliation where possible, okay? Someone here is coming off as very bitter, and this is what is holding you back, okay? This is what is holding you back. This is what is holding someone back from moving forward, is bitterness. Spirit said in spiritual court, ego is not accepted as evidence. Character is. Character is accepted as evidence. There's a witness here. Someone here that is going to provide evidence about an event that took place, Divine Collective. We're getting a witness. Okay, this is someone, Divine Collective. Let me make sure I get this right. This witness was betrayed themselves by the ones that they were working against you with. Did that make sense? This witness that is speaking out was also betrayed by the same people that they were working with to attack you. So now they're showing up as the witness in spiritual court because they were also betrayed, Spirit is telling me. Stay adaptable and grounded as circumstances evolve, Divine Collective, okay? Someone here really tried to destroy you and destroyed themselves. They're currently now going through a breakup of some sort. You are the star in this reading, Divine Collective. The star is shining over your path, symbolizing hope, healing, and divine purpose, okay?